BSF Meghalaya Frontier kala Pynlong ya ka Inter Frontier Judo Cluster Competition arhajar arpulai kabal sedang hapo ka school ba Nihu Shillong. Hakani kijingla kai gidon kadwe itili ki BSF Frontier kibalawan bani simanta panpau ya kasap kapong kabagidan. Ya kani kijingla kai lepli do Dr. Lal Jaram Bishnoi, Director General of Police Meghalaya, hak jingdon langjung Pradip Kumar, Inspector General of BSF Meghalaya Frontier ki officer but kiway.
I'm extremely happy to see that the BSF Frontier Meghalaya is organizing that the Judo Clusters Inter-Frontier Tournament here in the Nehu campus. And a lot of players from the 11 frontiers have come here to represent their respective team. And they have nicely organized it, and I'm sure that the event will be successful, and all the players they will try their best. This is a platform where they can showcase their talents, and I'm sure out of this tournament some of the national players will emerge, and it is a legacy of the BSF. They have been organizing such tournament at various places, and they have produced many national and international players, and out of this tournament also you will find that some national players will emerge, and it will inspire the other players also. I'm happy that this event is organized here, and they have done a lot of hard work to organize this event successfully. So Meghalaya Police, you know that these some events are very popular, particularly football and the martial arts. So we will organize the inter-unit or inter-district tournament in the Meghalaya Police, maybe in the December, January, something like that. We can plan, and this event will inspire Meghalaya Police also. IGP BSF Sri Pradip Kumar and his team, and I'm sure that this event will be highly successful.